In Italy, pasta is more than just food, it's a way of life. It brings families together, helps us celebrate special moments and makes us feel better. Made from just flour and water or eggs, pasta is a big part of our traditions. Each shape and sauce tells a story about a certain region or family. To really get Italian cooking, you have to understand pasta. It's the main part of our favorite meals. Cooking pasta well isn't hard, but you have to respect how it's done. Many people make simple mistakes. Not enough water, not enough salt, cooking it too long, or rinsing off the starch. This guide will show you the real Italian way, step by step. We'll talk about picking the right shape, why salt is important, and what al dente means. With just a few good ingredients and the right way of doing things, you can make something simple and fancy at the same time. Forget what you think you know. Be open to new ideas and tastes. Soon you'll cook pasta with the confidence and passion of a true Italian. Learning to master pasta is a fun and tasty journey. Let's start this wonderful journey together. Pasta is a skill that will bring you joy for many years. Welcome to the heart of Italian cooking. Perfect pasta starts at the store. Each shape has a job. Spaghetti for light sauces, penne for thick sauces with chunks, orecchiette for vegetables. Always pick pasta made from good quality durum wheat semolina. Next, grab a big pot. Pasta needs room to cook evenly. For about 1 pound of pasta, use at least 6 quarts of water. Fill the pot 3/4 full to stop it from boiling over. Enough water keeps the pasta from sticking and makes sure it cooks evenly. Remember, there are over 350 pasta shapes, and each one is made to hold sauce in a special way. The shape you pick should go with your sauce. The ridges on penne help sauce stick, while spaghetti lets the sauce cover every strand. Picking the right shape for your sauce is super important in Italian cooking. A big pot and lots of water are your first tools for success. Don't crowd the pasta, give it room to move around. Paying attention to these small things sets the stage for a perfect meal. Now let's get ready to cook. Salt is super important. Add it to the water, not after cooking. The water should taste like the ocean. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons of coarse salt for every 6 quarts. Salt flavors the pasta from the inside out. Add salt only after the water boils. It dissolves faster and protects your pot. Wait for a full bubbling boil before adding pasta. Strong boiling keeps pasta moving and stops it from sticking. Stir right away after adding pasta, then every now and then as it cooks. Don't cover the pot after adding pasta, it can boil over. The right amount of water and salt, plus a strong boil, are a must. These steps make sure the pasta cooks evenly and has the perfect texture. Skipping them leads to bland, sticky pasta. Get this right, and you're halfway to making real Italian pasta. Simple, but very important. Let's move to the next step: timing. The goal is al dente, tender but with a nice chew. Overcooked pasta is a sad thing in Italy. Start tasting 2 minutes before the package says it's done. Take a bite. It should be firm, not crunchy or mushy. If you're going to finish it in sauce, drain it when it's a little firmer than al dente. The last minute in the sauce makes the texture and flavor perfect. Getting this timing right is how you know you're a true pasta cook. Great pasta only needs a simple sauce. Aglio e olio, garlic and oil, is a classic gently heat olive oil. Add sliced garlic and red pepper flakes, cook until golden, then toss with pasta and parsley. For tomato sauce, heat olive oil, add a whole garlic clove, then canned tomatoes and salt. Let it simmer for 15-20 minutes, finish with fresh basil and take out the garlic. These sauces make the pasta shine, not hide it. Use just enough sauce to coat each piece. Good ingredients are everything: good oil, ripe tomatoes, fresh herbs. In Italy, less is more. The pasta is the star. Don't drown it, let the flavors stand out. These simple sauces are the core of Italian cooking. Master them, and you can make endless different dishes. The secret is balance and not overdoing it. Now, let's put it all together. The real magic happens when you mix the pasta and sauce in the pan. Save about a cup of pasta water before draining. This starchy water helps the sauce stick. Never rinse the pasta, you'll wash away the starch that helps sauce cling. Add the drained pasta to the warm sauce in a skillet. Toss it over medium-high heat for a minute or two, adding pasta water as needed. This step, called mantecare, makes a creamy, well-mixed dish. The pasta soaks up the flavor and the sauce gets perfectly thick. This is how Italian cooks get that smooth blend. It's a quick step, but it changes the whole meal. Once you get this down, your pasta will always taste truly Italian. Let's finish with the last touches. Serve pasta right away, straight from the pan onto warm plates. Warm plates keep the pasta at the perfect temperature. Finish with freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano or Pecorino Romano cheese. Add fresh herbs, parsley for aglio e olio, basil for tomato sauce. A little drizzle of good quality olive oil adds smell and shine. These final touches make your dish even better. You now know how to pick, cook, and finish pasta the Italian way. Don't be scared. Cooking is about fun and sharing. Enjoy the process and you'll bring Italy to your table. Buon appetito!